So I don't typically do a video for every firmware update that's out there, but GoPro just released a firmware update for the Hero 12, and it's got some really cool features that I want to share with you.
Mr. Black.
So the Hero 12 has added 4 new features with their latest update. Also, if you're new here, don't be a stranger, and if you can, drop a comment and let me know what features you would like to see on future GoPro updates. But the first feature that I want to get into is the fact that you can now custom name your presets. This is something that I wish every action camera would be able to do. So before, you'd make like a low light preset or like a indoor webcam or something like that, and then you'd have to pick from one of their pre-made names that never quite fit what you're trying to do. But now through the app, you can actually go through and you can set whatever custom name you want to put. So yeah, look, even put my name right there. You don't even realize how helpful this is because there's plenty of times you're going through and you're like, which one is that one again? You have to kind of look. This is going to just make it so much more streamlined. And if you're excited about that update, click that button right there. Yeah, and just let GoPro know that you like that. The next 3 updates have to do with the Max Lens 2.0. And I will say that I've noticed that the touchscreen is a lot more responsive so far. So before, I'd like click that Max Lens 2.0 and it would take like a second to switch over to the point where I thought I didn't click it and then press it and then end up turning it off, and it was really annoying. And now it's like immediate. So I can definitely tell a difference in the touchscreen, and just overall user interface just feels a lot more responsive. But getting back to the Max Lens part, they now added Hyper Smooth Auto Boost. And really what that means is it detects how much motion your GoPro is going through, and it will like automatically add more or less stabilization. So the more stabilization, the more crop in, but the less movement, the more field of view you get, and it automatically detects that. So that's pretty cool. Speaking of fields of view, they actually added a linear lens option, which is great if you wanted to get a more close-up shot with your Max Lens. Maybe you're filming something else and you wanted it a little bit closer up. That gives you the option to do that. Now, with the Max Lens 2.0 and Time Warp, they added the ability to shoot it in Hyperview, so you can have that super wide field of view in Time Warp. And I think that this can add a huge element of creativity in your hyperlapses. So those are the new features, and also they did some general bug fixes and things like that, as well as improvements to GP log tuning. Now kind of gloss over that because I don't really get into that too much, but if you're into that, that might be a good improvement for you. But that's it for the updates. I'm not sure if they're gonna roll that custom preset name thing to the other models. So far, I haven't seen it, so it would be cool if they were able to do that. But if not, at least you have it on the 12. But stay tuned and I'll let you know if it does. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?